Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best mini gaming PCs that pack desktop-level performance into a compact design. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, these mini PCs deliver incredible performance without taking up much space. Let's jump right in. Number 5 on our list is the Koosmile KT-M9 Mini Gaming PC. The Koosmile KT-M9 Mini Gaming PC redefines compact computing by combining powerful performance with a modern, space-saving design. One of its standout features is the built-in smart display on the lid, which provides real-time system information such as CPU frequency, usage, temperature, network activity, and memory usage. This allows users to monitor performance instantly and maintain control over their system at a glance. At the heart of this mini PC is the Intel Core i9-12900 HK processor with 24 MB cache, delivering robust processing power capable of handling intensive tasks, multitasking, streaming, and home entertainment with ease. Complementing the CPU is 32 GB of DDR4 RAM for smooth operation and a 2 TB NVMe SSD, providing both fast boot-up speeds and ample storage for games, media, and professional applications. Graphics performance is powered by Iris Xe graphics, and the KT-M9 supports triple display setups through HDMI 2.1, DP 1.4a, Type-C, and a configurable port. This makes it an ideal choice for professionals in content creation, programming, or finance, as well as anyone seeking an extended workspace for multitasking. The device also prioritizes reliability and efficiency with its advanced copper cooling fan and multiple vents that manage heat effectively even during demanding workloads. Connectivity is upgraded with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast, stable wireless connections for work or play. Compact yet powerful, the Koosmile KT-M9 Mini Gaming PC brings desktop-level performance into a sleek, modern package, offering versatility, speed, and smart functionality for both professional and entertainment needs. Number 4 is the Acemagic AD08 Mini Gaming PC. The Acemagic AD08 Mini Gaming PC redefines what a compact desktop can deliver, combining high-end performance with portability. Powered by the 12th Gen Core i9-12900H processor, it handles the latest AAA games with ease while supporting ultra-responsive multitasking and smooth streaming. Its compact chassis brings desktop-grade performance into a small footprint, making it ideal for dorm rooms, home offices, or LAN parties where space is limited. Equipped with 32 GB RGB DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, the AD08 ensures lightning-fast load times, consistent frame rates, and lag-free performance. Gamers and content creators can store their favorite games, mods, and media without compromising speed or responsiveness. Connectivity is also designed for the future, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, offering stable wireless connections, low latency, and effortless peripheral pairing. This makes it easy to connect gaming controllers, headsets, or other devices while maintaining high-speed network performance. The sleek, portable design of the Acemagic AD08 allows users to take their gaming setup anywhere, making it suitable for streaming, recording, or competitive gaming on the go. Despite its compact size, it provides the power and versatility expected from a full-size gaming desktop. In a space-saving package, the AD08 combines elite gaming hardware, future-proof connectivity, and portability, delivering a desktop experience tailored for modern gamers and creators. Coming in at number 3 is the Geekom A9 Max Mini Gaming PC. The Geekom A9 Max Mini Gaming PC represents a bold leap forward in compact computing, combining flagship AI performance, gaming prowess, and professional-grade expandability in a space-saving design. At its heart lies the AMD Ryzen AI9 HX370 processor, built on the innovative Strix Point architecture, delivering an astonishing 80 TOPS of AI acceleration. Its next-generation XDNA2 AI engine provides 50 TOPS of dedicated NPU performance, making it a powerhouse for Copilot Plus tasks, local large model deployments, and advanced content generation. From running Stable Diffusion and Topaz AI to handling local LLMs via LM Studio or Llama, the A9 Max processes demanding AI workloads effortlessly while maintaining optimal thermal efficiency. Gaming performance is equally impressive. The built-in AMD Radeon 890M graphics, featuring 16 RDNA 3.5 compute units, matches entry-level discrete GPUs, providing smooth 1080p gameplay in popular titles such as Valorant, Fortnite, League of Legends, and CS2. Fidelity FX Super Resolution technology further enhances frame rates and visual fidelity. Beyond gaming, the A9 Max supports 4K video playback and light 3D rendering, making it versatile for both gamers and creative professionals. Cooling is handled by the Ice Blast 2.0 system, which combines an oversized copper heatsink, dual heat pipes, and a whisper quiet fan to maintain consistent temperatures. Precision-engineered airflow and premium thermal compounds ensure that performance remains stable even during intensive gaming or creative workloads. Memory and storage are no compromise either. With support for up to 128 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM in dual-channel mode and dual PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD slots, the A9 Max offers workstation-level responsiveness. Users can manage large datasets, AI models, or multimedia projects with ease, benefiting from rapid system and scratch disk performance. The A9 Max also excels in connectivity and expandability. Dual USB 4 ports, 5 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports, dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, a full-speed SD 4.0 card reader, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 make this mini PC a versatile hub for multi-screen setups, streaming, and professional workflows. Compact yet powerful, the Geekom A9 Max redefines what a mini desktop can achieve. Number 2 is the Topgro T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC. The Topgro T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC brings desktop-level performance into a compact and versatile form factor, designed for gamers, content creators, and power users alike. At its core lies the 13th Gen Intel Core i9-13900HK processor, featuring 14 cores and 20 threads with a 24 MB cache and boost speeds up to 5.4 GHz. With Intel Turbo Boost technology and support for DDR5 5200 memory, this processor handles heavy multitasking, high-end gaming, and demanding software seamlessly. Graphics performance is delivered by the GeForce RTX 4060 mobile GPU, built on the Ada Lovelace architecture. With real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.0, and Max-Q technologies, it ensures smooth gameplay and efficient rendering, making it ideal for gaming at high frame rates as well as professional creative tasks. Memory and storage come robustly equipped with 32 GB of dual-channel DDR5 RAM, expandable to 64 GB, and a 1 TB M.2 NVMe PCI 4.0 SSD. The system also offers additional M.2 2280 slots for storage expansion up to 8 TB, allowing users to accommodate large libraries of games and applications. The T1 Pro Mini Gaming PC includes thoughtful features for customization and usability. Adjustable RGB lighting lets users tailor the system's look to their style, while fan speed control provides a balance between quiet operation and peak cooling during intense workloads. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 6E for ultra-fast wireless internet and Bluetooth 5.3 for effortless pairing with peripherals.
A 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port ensures high-speed wired network performance for smooth online gaming and rapid file transfers. The Topgro T1 Pro mini gaming PC combines compact design, cutting-edge hardware, and customizable features, delivering a powerful and versatile computing experience for both work and play. And finally, our number one pick is the Gmktec EVO-X2 mini gaming PC. The Gmktec EVO-X2 mini gaming PC represents a remarkable leap in compact computing, blending raw power, AI capabilities, and cutting-edge graphics into a small form factor. At its core is the Ryzen AI Max Plus 395, featuring 16 Zen 5 CPU cores and 32 threads thanks to AMD simultaneous multi-threading. With 64 megabytes of L3 cache and boost speeds up to 5.1 GHz, this APU is currently rated among the most powerful x86 processors for AI computing. Its XDNA 2 NPU delivers over 50 peak AI tops, while the integrated AMD RDNA 3.5 GPU with 40 compute units ensures top-tier graphics performance for both AI workloads and gaming. Gaming performance is amplified by the Radeon RX 8060 SI GPU, which operates at up to 2.9 GHz and offers capabilities comparable to mid to high-end laptop GPUs. Users can enjoy FHD gaming at maximum settings while leveraging the 128GB memory pool for large-scale AI tasks such as running DeepSeek 70B Q8 or the LM Studio application for client-side LLM workloads. The EVO-X2 employs 8-channel LPDDR5X memory with speeds up to 8,000 MTS, significantly enhancing performance in video conferencing, content creation, and productivity applications. Its quad-screen 8K display support via HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and dual USB 4 connections allows immersive multi-display setups ideal for gaming, streaming, and professional workflows. Connectivity is future-ready with 2.5 gigabit LAN, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, enabling fast, stable connections for networking, storage, and peripherals. The Gmktec EVO-X2 is a fusion of high-performance AI computing, gaming, and versatile multimedia capabilities, all packed into a sleek, miniaturized design that pushes the boundaries of what a small PC can achieve.